Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Streamlabs desktop and signing into YouTube so the app can authenticate your channel. Once signed in, connect your primary microphone and webcam and grant camera and mic permissions. This avoids capture failures later. Make sure to select the correct audio device and default webcam in settings right arrow audio/video. Also choose a basic scene and add one source so you can preview while continuing. Doing these first prevents common permission and device mismatches. Once done with permissions, you build scenes and sources to control layout during the stream. Create a live scene with game capture or display capture, add a video capture device for your webcam, and a browser source for alerts. Make sure to route desktop and mic into the mixer and use filters like noise suppression and compressor to keep levels steady. Transition between scenes with a hotkey or the on-screen button and preview each scene to confirm overlays, chat dock, and alert placements appear correctly. To go live, configure output settings. Choose a suitable bitrate for your bandwidth and select a hardware encoder if you have one to offload CPU. Set the canvas and output resolution to match YouTube's preferred 16:9 ratios, then link your stream key from YouTube into Streamlabs. Once configured, write your title, category, and thumbnail, then start a 1-2-minute local test recording to catch issues. If problems occur, reduce bitrate or switch encoders. Keep a cable connection handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.